ABC Mouse is a popular online children's educational website. It provides educational materials for young children in one spot. Children can increase their intelligence in a fun and color-enriched environment, which has proven to be the best environment for children to learn. It can be a great addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio and allow you to diversify your offerings. Commissions are paid out month after month to affiliates that recognize the opportunity. Check this out. ABC Mouse provides and service to parents seeking to educate their children. Get into the commissions being paid out for this product. Selling child education packages is a relatively easier to promote niche because it is something that people absolutely need and want. Parents are passionate about their children and giving them the edge in education. Child education related keywords are searched more than 50,000 times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to earn commissions using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $59. Affiliates receive $4 each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links high in search engine results. This is a great affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.